Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 1208 at Putrajaya Marriott Hotel. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the back of the door. With the floor plan. To the left, as you enter the room, you have a slot to insert the key card for the room's power, your do not disturb and make-up room switches, as well as the various light switches for the room. And that is the view that you get as you enter the room. To the right, here we have the wardrobe. Below, in-room slippers, weighing scale, ironing board, an iron, a torchlight, storage right above, hangers, bathrobes, right here we have drawers, in-room safe, and storage right above. Opposite the wardrobe, we have the bathroom. And straight ahead is a mirror. Hello? Below the sink, bathroom amenities, a tissue box, bottles of water, the glass, the towels. Bathtub is to the left of the bathroom. We have more towels right up there. And to the right of the bathroom is the toilet and the shower area. It is a dual shower setup, so you have the rain shower as well as the handheld shower. Right, so next to the wardrobe area is the pantry area, and down below we have an empty fridge. Here we have all the tea and coffee making stuff with mugs, cups, the kettle, a plug, a light switch, bottles of water, and a glass. Mirrors right there, and right there. Hello again. And right here we have the climate control panel for the room. A plug down below. On the left bedside table you have storage, light switches, a plug, a light. And on the right bedside table you have storage, a plug, light switches and a light as well. But on this side you also have the in-room telephone and the clock. In the middle is the bed. It is actually quite a comfortable bed to sleep on. And right here we have a place to put your luggage with storage below. More storage below the TV. And the TV is a flat screen sharp unit. Here we have the coffee machine. The desk area with the chair. You have a plug right there with a couple of USB ports, and I was told that is the Wi-Fi router. There's a mirror right above the desk, and there is a light to the left of the desk. The bin is down there. And here we have a sofa-like thing with a table. And the view that I get out of the window, you can see the other part of the hotel right there. The swimming pool below. Sort of like greenery area around the hotel. You can see the highway leading to the hotel, as well as the highway in the distance. And it is a cloudy day, so you can't see KL from here, but if it's on a bright and not cloudy day, you can actually see the skyline view of KL from the room. But yeah, that's it for the room tour of room 1208 at Putrajaya Marriott Hotel. Thanks for watching and goodbye.